Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel if you are new. Welcome back if you are a returning viewer. Today we're going to take a look at some of the new items that Countycomm has come out with and a few that they've already had. Let's jump right into it and take a look. So one of the things that I've already had on the channel is this is what they call their X-PAC Latitude pouch. This was actually given away on my last giveaway, which, by the way, I'm going to be doing one here very soon. So stay tuned, and I mean very soon. I will be making a video about it probably today, maybe the next. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. It helps get the video out to more people, and it helps my channel, so I appreciate it. Again, this is the X-PAC Latitude pouch. It is, you can use it for an EDC carry. You can use it for a glove box. You can use it, you can throw it in your pocket. As you see, you can carry a flashlight. You can carry a knife. You can carry a flashlight, a knife, and a pen. If you don't want to keep your stuff outside, well, you can throw it on the inside. This is super cool, super compact. These go for around $15, which is not bad considering the X-PAC material. It is, I don't want to say waterproof because it's not. It does have zippers and it does have seams, but it is water resistant. It does come with YKK zippers, which, if you know anything about zippers and anything about materials, these are the top dog zippers. So again, this is the X-PAC Latitude pouch. You can get this in gray, orange, or black. It has a Velcro panel on the front. This is my patch. It does not come with a patch. This is just mine. So you can throw your own on there and make whatever you want. Dimensions on it are 7.5 inches by 3.75 inches. So, like I said, you can throw this in your front pocket, back pocket. If you're a female and you carry your purse, you can do that. You can attach a lanyard to it. You can wear it around your neck. It's limitless. Whatever you'd like to do with this is up to you. So that is their Latitude pouch. This one is their X-PAC zipper key pouch. You can keep keys in here, you can keep cash, you can keep cards, you can keep whatever. Once again, anything your little mind, you put your mind to, you can keep in this. Once again, YKK zipper, X-PAC material. There's the look on the inside of it. It has a little, I don't know what you call it. It's kind of a lanyard. It's made out of 550 reflective paracord, so you can attach your keys to the outside of this if you wanted to. Or again, if you wanted to attach it to a lanyard and wear it around your neck. Whatever you want to do with this is up to you. I believe this is the new color. This is the orange color, of course. They come in black and this orange. These go for $7 on the website, and the dimensions on this are 4.4 inches by 2.75 inches. So this is your X-PAC zipper key pouch. Moving right along, and of course, everything here today is X-PAC. It's one of Countycomm's kind of hot sellers, and everything, not everything, but about 99% of the stuff they make in-house. Maritac is their brand. They use X-PAC. This one is brand new. This is called the Solix X3 X-PAC pen patch. Say that 3 times fast, will you? Again, it comes in black, gray, or this color orange. Now, you can put this on your EDC pouch if you wanted to. You can attach it to an outside of a backpack. You can attach it to, if you have the X-PAC portfolio, the think tank, if you want to attach it to the front of that, you can do that. Whatever you want to attach this to, you can do that. You can keep pins in it. Here is their copper embassy pin. It'll fit perfectly inside of there. You can fit a 4-in-1 screwdriver. It will fit perfect inside of there. Or, if you really wanted to get down to it and get kind of fancy, it will even fit the AAA flashlights that Countycomm carries. This is their copper one. I thought I'd stick with the copper theme with the copper embassy pin. Now the AAA flashlight fits perfectly inside of there. As you can see, it literally fits perfect. The embassy pin fits perfect, as well as the little 4-in-1 screwdriver they have here. If you want to attach this to, like I said, a backpack, your EDC pouch, whatever has hook and loop, you can attach it to. Super awesome, super cool. These are on the website for $8.95 right now. And I will have a link to all of this stuff in the description, as well as a pinned comment. So make sure you look there. Now, this one, I've kind of saved the best for last. This is their new X-PAC Diplomat 3 EDC pouch, extra large. Again, the patch will not come with it. I just threw mine on there. This is the Maritech Reaper. Really awesome. We got the Trident. This patch is super cool. One of my favorites. Now, this is 5 by 8 inches. Again, X-PAC material. It does have waterproof zippers. Again, kind of leery on the waterproof because it does have seams and it does have the zippers that, of course, are not all the way sunken in. So we'll call it definitely water resistant for sure. It has MOLLE on the back, so you can attach it to a backpack. You can attach it to a vest. You can attach it to whatever. Anything that has the MOLLE system, you can attach it to. It also comes with 2 of these. You could use these for key rings, whatever you'd want. Throw it on the back here. Snap it down, and you can attach your keys to it. It comes with 2 of those. This thing holds a ton of stuff. You know, it also has a little carry handle. This is what I carry. I'm not saying this is what you should carry or what you need to carry. This just shows what all this is capable of. And there's more room. I just didn't want to pack it all in there. But go crazy with it. Embassy pins. You sure, carry your embassy pins. You can carry a pocket screwdriver. That fits in there perfectly. If you have a Sharpie, sure, this may be a Sharpie. Or it may be a little self-defense with the G10 material. But, you know, we'll go with it. It's a Sharpie, right? You can carry your phone charger or whatever charger you want to on here. Throw that bad boy in there. It will fit perfectly. In the back here, you can fit your notebook perfectly. I've got a Kubaton slid in the back of this. I've got my flashlight. I've got my knife. I've got my pry bar. I've got my SOG multi-tool in there. What else I've got in there? I've got scissors. I've got my portable power battery charger. You can literally pack this thing full of whatever your little heart desires, and it will take it. And like I said, there's more room. If you want to slide more back here, slide another notebook back here. Whatever you want to do, the options are absolutely limitless. But as you can see, on this side, the pens fit perfectly. Markers fit perfectly. This is the brass edition. They have the brass and titanium edition. Pocket screwdrivers. That fits perfectly. On this side, the flashlight. This is their Manker EO52. Fits perfectly in there. This is their collab with the Crispy Donut community. Their limited run that they are sold out of. The Hanson. Does it fit perfectly? Sure does. Like I said, my pry bar. My multi-tool. Whatever way you want to fit this to your liking, you can slim it down so you can carry it in your back pocket. You can fill it up so you can throw it in your glove box. You can keep it just like this with everything I have and just carry it along with you. It is up to you, but this is an excellent, excellent EDC pouch from Countycomm. New X-PAC Diplomat 3 EDC pouch. This goes for $25. That's it. That's all. Sorry about a little shaky camera there. I got to remember that. Sorry. It's only 25 bucks. Similar ones that you can find run from 35 to 40 all the way up to $50. You're going to get quality, excellent quality with this X-PAC material. Everything Countycomm does, they stand behind 100%. So whether it's any one of these items, if you get it from Countycomm, they're going to stand behind their stuff. I have nothing but great things to say about them. They are awesome. Anytime you need to send them an email about any issues, anything, they're right on it. They're super fast. They take care of it. They're friendly as heck. And they go the extra mile to take care of you. That's going to do it, guys. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'm going to be doing another giveaway soon. Hit that like button. Go back, check out some of my other videos. You might find something useful, and you might find something informative, or you just want to kill a little bit of time. Until next time, guys, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.